You boys picked the wrong night.
We're not fragile. We're few.
Box is up, box now, let's go.
Copy, box now.
Long before writing was carved in stone, these people were wrestling with light born of metal and code.
Before we dive into introducing the tool, I've got some hot news that I'm sure many of you don't want to miss. Higgsfield has launched a huge Instagram challenge alongside the release of Sora 2, and the grand prize is $6,000 in cash for the top viral video. But it's not just the first winner who gets rewarded. The next 20 creators will each get $250, and even if you just make 10 posts, you'll receive a free pro plan. With 30 posts, you get the ultimate plan, and if you're truly creative and make 70 posts, you'll receive the creator plan for free. Participating is super simple. Stay with me until the end of the video, and I'll show you exactly how you can join. Remember a while ago when I introduced the wand tool from Higgsfield and it went viral among you guys with tons of amazing feedback? Well, get ready because now Higgsfield is back again with a brand new version that truly pushes the boundaries of AI video generation. It's called Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, a version that many thought was still limited to big companies, but Higgsfield has made it available for everyone. Yes, you heard that right. No restrictions, no waiting list, and no regional filters. Everyone can now use the power of OpenAI Sora with high speed, 1080p quality, and perfect synchronization between sound and visuals. What's new in the latest versions? Till now, no version of the Sora model was publicly available, but now Higgsfield has released two main versions. Sora 2, a cinematic model capable of generating full videos from either images or text. Sora 2 Pro, the advanced version that not only makes movements more realistic, but can also generate multiple consecutive scenes with a coherent storyline, meaning an actual cinematic narrative. In simple terms, you're no longer just creating a short clip, you're directing a real AI-powered film scene. Even camera movements, angles, and rhythm can all be controlled. To start, open the website from the link below the video, then click on the sign up button. You can log in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account, or even just register using your email. The whole process takes less than a minute. No long verification or waiting period. Once you're in, the homepage is full of sample works made with Sora 2. From fantasy music videos to action films, brand commercials, and even meme-style storytelling clips known as brain rot mode. Just watching this section makes you realize its incredible potential. Now it's time to try it ourselves. From the top bar, go to the video section. We'll work with the general option. The first step is to either upload an image or create one directly inside the platform. You can choose a photo of yourself, a landscape, or even a simple sketch. Now we have the prompt section, the place where you describe your scene. For example, write, "A futuristic city street at night with rain reflections and cinematic lighting." Next, it's time to select the model. From the list of models, click on Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. Sora 2 is great for faster, lighter clips. Finally, click Generate to create your video. In just a few seconds, you'll get a cinematic quality output with smooth and natural motion, just like in professional films. Why is everyone talking about Sora 2? Because this is the first time ever that the Sora model has been open to the public without any restrictions. Unlimited daily video generation, no waiting list, no geographic limitations, no content filters. Outputs are true 1080p, voice and lip sync are perfectly aligned, and even environmental effects like lighting, shadow, and focus are automatically handled. The new version also introduces two creative modes. Brain rot mode. For short, funny clips designed for reels and meme. Product placement mode. For creators who want to showcase their products naturally within a scene, without making it look like a traditional ad. And now for the exciting part. Alongside the launch of Sora 2, Higgsfield has started a major Instagram challenge with a $6,000 prize for the best viral video. Additionally, the top 20 creators will each receive $250. If you create just 10 posts, you'll get a free pro plan. With 30 posts, you'll unlock the ultimate plan, and with 70 posts, you'll receive the creator plan for free. To participate, like this video, leave a comment below about Higgsfield, and post your videos using the hashtag #Higgsfield Sora 2. Writing in your caption, try unlimited Sora 2 on at Higgsfield.ai. Then submit your post links using the form in the bio of Higgsfield's Instagram page. The deadline is limited. The challenge ends on October 14th, 2025. The link to the website and your exclusive discount code are down below. Don't forget to comment what your first video with Sora 2 was. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next AI border videos. Until the next video, goodbye.